Shandong University is one of the initiative universities of modern Chinese higher education. Its medical school dates from Tongqiao College, established in 1864. As the earliest Chinese modern university, Tongqiao College is regarded as the origin of modern higher education in China. In 1901, Emperor Guangxu, in the Qing dynasty, gave his royal approval for establishment of Shandong Imperial College, Shandong Du Shuatong, at the Luoyuan Academy in Jinan. After the Imperial University of Peking, it was the second national university in China and the first university to be established and run in accordance with a chartered constitution, designated by the Qing government as an exemplary model for the subsequent founding of imperial universities in other provinces. The constitution of tentative establishment of Shandong Imperial College served as an example and paved the way for modern Chinese higher education then. Reserve talents for the world and seek prosperity for the nation. The mission, written more than a century ago in the Constitution of Tentative Establishment of Shandong Imperial College, has been embedded in the blood of faculty at Shandong University. It turned into their gene and source of spirit, leading them to keep the entire world in mind, take the mission, and preserve to pursue dreams with bold action. Through the long process of growth, Shandong University rises to the forefront of studies in literature and history. In the 1930s, a group of reputed scholars, such as Wen Yiduo, Liang Shiqiu, Yang Zhencheng, Lao She, and Chen Songwen, taught at Shandong University and paved the way for its first memorable splendor in history. Since the 1950s, Feng Yuanjun, Lu Kenru, Gao Hong, and Xiao Difei represented the university's research of Chinese classical literature and Chinese language philology, while Yang Xiangkui, Tong Shuya, and Huang Yunmei were among the famous 8 professors represented the research of ancient Chinese history. These researchers made Shandong University an important strength of literature and history research that attracted worldwide attention. It contributed to the second memorial splendor of the university. In 1951, Shandong University launched the first academic journal on liberal arts after the founding of PRC in 1949, Literature, History, and Philosophy. For over 60 years, the journal has held its title of King of Arts Journals in Chinese universities. Presently, Shandong University is a member university of Project 211 and Project 985, 2 national projects to build high-quality universities, jointly sponsored by the Ministry of Education and Shandong Provincial People's Government. It comprises campuses in 3 different cities, Jinan, Weihai, and Qingdao, covering an area of over 533 hectares. Its full-time student population totaling up to 60,000. It has 12 general disciplines, including literature, science, engineering, medicine, etc., forming a complete, unique, and strong system for talent cultivation. Shandong University is noted for its strong fundamental scientific researchers and liberal arts programs, while its medicine, engineering, and newly developed disciplines have their own unique features. Now, 12 disciplines are listed among the top 1% of the Essential Science Indicators, ESI, World Ranking, and other disciplines, such as financial mathematics and crystal materials, also enjoy high reputations at home and abroad. The number of papers by Shandong University faculty and students published and cited on the Science Citation Index, SCI, has ranked in the top 10 among universities in China for many consecutive years.